Hello friends, once again I am here with my new topic dashboards and filter actions. How to create advanced filters in dashboards. You will learn about an important functionality called filter actions here. Filter actions allows higher level of visualization interactivity by selecting a specific category. The dashboard can be filtered to highlight that particular category. For example, in default view of a panel, the top products by sales and product profit are shown for all the countries. A filter action will allow you to select a specific country on the map, which will filter the bar chart to the particular country. See, we can analyze to the depth in which state which one customer is more beneficial to our business. Up to this level of insight, we can generate by filter actions by creating dashboard. First, we will create dashboard. We will go to Tableau. Friends, first we will create new sheet. What we will create in new sheet? We will create a simple map. Which state is the highest sales generating? We will simply which one is low sales generating? First, we will drag and drop country. This is the country. We will simply drag and drop country here. Yes. Then we will go to the state. We will simply drag and drop that state here. Yes. Now we will do some small. Now we will simply drag and drop sales to the colors. Here is the sales column. So friends, we can see from this diagram, from the depth of the color, we can see lighter the color, less is the sale. More the color darker, more is the sale. The map has been created and based on the color saturation, we can easily identify which state give us high sales and which state is giving us low sales. Now we want to know the name of the state. Then what we will do? We will go to the state and put it simply drag and drop to the label. Yes. Now you can see the names of each state, which one is more beneficial. We can see easily California is much more profit generating state in the United States. And the least one, I guess it will be Mexico. So now we will go to the create dashboard. So friends, by simply clicking, we will go to the create dashboard on the middle one, this one. We will include only, we won't use all the sheet, but we include only the sheet which create maps recently and customer analysis. So in this analysis, we will use now we will create dashboard for further analysis. Then what we will do, we won't consider all sheets, we only consider customer analysis sheet and this map one sheet here. So what we will do, we will simply click create dashboard here, and the map we considered and the customer analysis, which was the scatter plot we plotted last last three four third fourth video, I guess. Just references of the sheet is created here. See, if we simply drag and drop sheet 2 here and sheet 1 here, what is going to happen? For removing from dashboard, we simply click here and we will again select this on dashboard. We'll simply click here and put it here. So we can see now it's in a better condition. See friends, what we are going to do here states are not showing. So what we will do, if we resize or format anything here, this will change in the main sheet too. See, what we will do, we will rename here state analysis. State analysis and apply. If we want to center this, we want for format or font change of this, we want bold, italic, whatever we change, we will simply apply and OK. If we go to sheet 2 now, we can see this formatting has been counted here and the name of state analysis it changes here of the sheet number 2. Now in main sheet we have seen that name of the states is not there. Then what we will do, we will simply drag and drop here. Now it's good. All state has been added. We will go to the dashboard. We can see that if we do any changes here in dashboard, then in the main sheet will be reflected same. And if we do any changes in the dashboard, then the same changes will appear in the sheet. So it's a beautiful thing we can see. So the functionality we need to do here to build here that is basically a action filter. First we will understand what is the action filter. If I select a particular state here, then the customer of that particular state will be appear in the second one chart. There are two chart, state analysis, customer analysis. If I will select this one state, any one state, then customer of only that one state will be appear here. Then there are two methods for doing this. If you simply click here on this filter chart, you simply click here on this filter chart by simply clicking. See, if we go to South Dakota, here is only this one state's customer will appear. If I go to New Mexico, then the customer of New Mexico will be appear. Then other one, United States West Virginia, only the customer of Virginia will be there. We can see different states, different customers we are going to analyze and see that which one state is having more and much good in terms of profit and sales. So you can easily understand that any state which have more customers, by name we can see them, their profit, their sales, their shipping charges, on the basis of shipping charges how much they are giving us benefit, on the basis of are they are profit making customer. From by simply clicking here we can understand in which state. So friends, you can understand how deeply we can analyze a sample superstore data set of United States. Then we go to the state analysis and then we can understand the particular customer analysis there. So I hope you understood this in-depth analysis, that how important it is. Then what we will do, we can do this by a some another method too. We will simply go to dashboard. I will remove this, and I will go to back. Sorry. Hmm. Now what we can do, by simply clicking on dashboard actions, we will go here on actions. Then we will see there is already a filter generated here because we have already created a filter. What we will do, by simply click, we will remove from here this filter and we will do OK. Now we will go to dashboard again. We will go to the action. Then this window pop-up will be there. Then what we will do, we will go to the add action. Then we will go to the filter. By clicking on filter, we can easily see there is a filter. A pop-up is came out. Now what we can do, we can name here. What we should name here, action filter. We are watching, we are creating the functionality of action filter. Now we will go to the source sheet. Which one are the source sheet? Source sheet 1, sheet 2 are the source sheets. So we can understand on the which we have to understand at which source we want to create dashboard changeable. On sheet 2 we want this, so we will only simply click on sheet 2. Now there are some run actions here. What are? Menu, select, hover. What is hover? Can you see? If we will simply click hover and we remove, we will do OK, then what is going to happen? See, if I say hover, or from hover you can understand what is hovering mean. If I am not selecting anything and I am simply hovering the chart, it will show all the details of that particular state. See, by simply hovering, if I do, by clicking here all things I do, then what will happen? By simply click, I will it will show all the details. So friends, we can add various actions here. We can select any one seat. We can simply hover moving here and there on the basis of sheet or basis of the seat 1. Let me click hover. Let there are some other filter, some other conditions here too. If you keep filtered value, if you want to put here only filtered value, then the sheet 2 will be there. If you want to see all, show all values, then all values will be there. If you want to exclude all values means there will be no filter will be work there. So I hope you understood how important it is to create filter value and how beautifully we can analyze in depth analysis of by creating dashboards by using Tableau features. I hope you understood the video and you understood all the things I have selected here. On different conditions we can change here other things too. Thank you so much, friends.